Before we get into this deep extraction today, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys can see my next upcoming videos. See, this thing is caked with pet hair. We have food all over the place and multiple loose items that are all over the floor that we will be picking up later in the video. Moving on to the exterior, we're going to start panel to panel, and I'm going to be using a low pressure washer for the exterior on this video. I do have a more powerful one I'm going to be using later just for the video purposes and time, but you can see that we need to get the base layer off, and this takes off just a little bit. So moving on to the WeatherTech mats, we are basically just going to power wash these things because it's the easiest way to clean them. And then after we power wash, we're going to hit them with APC and then take the drill brush to it, and it'll make easy work of this. And if there's anything left after, I'll make sure to steam it with my steamer later on in the video. Now, moving on to the seats, we're going to do the same thing, get the all-purpose cleaner sprayed onto the seat, and then I'm going to agitate all the spots with a white drill brush, and then move on to the Bissell extraction. Now moving on to the bottom of the seats, I'm going to go ahead and spray my all-purpose cleaner all around it, and I'm going to attack everything else with my McCulloch steamer. This thing definitely pulls off most of the grime that's on this seat, and it's very fun to use. If you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down in my description so you guys can go pick one up for yourselves. It's very reasonably priced, and it was definitely worth the purchase as it made most of this cleaning a breeze. Moving on to one piece inside the car was the cup holder. It simply wasn't easy enough to just spray into it and wipe it up with the microfiber towel. So to make sure I got it perfectly clean and got off all the gunk and gum and juice off the bottom, I again used the steamer and it came out looking perfect. Now, even though the steamer is very powerful, I caught myself in a little bit of a hard spot here with some gum that has been attached to this console for around 3 years. So for a later purpose on the video, I'm not going to show the extraction as it took a very long time, but I will tell you it was really stuck on there. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to move on to all 4 doors. We're going to steam them, and then we're going to go ahead and spray APC on and give them a nice brush down with my detail brush, and then just wipe it all down with a microfiber towel. Now, before I move on into the interior, I did use this LED light that I thought would be okay for lighting up the interior so you guys could see what I'm doing, but instead it gave a weird flickering to the video, so I did cut these clips short so you don't have to deal with it for too long, but for now I apologize. I'll make sure to keep these clips short.